Alright, welcome to the Noesis Interactive Advanced Level Design Training DVD. We're going to go into fundamental aspects of Hammer, the level editor for Valve sourced games. We're going to take a serious look around that and what it can do. We're going to cover a lot, but we're certainly not going to cover everything. There's a lot of stuff in there. We'll cover basics as well as intermediate and certainly some advanced topics. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the SDK. I've got it here, but if you open up Steam, get your Steam account, open up, you usually start off in the My Games tab here. And we're going to go through Counter-Strike, Half-Life 2, and Day Defeat Source. If you don't have any one of those games, you should be able to do the lessons going through it in a different game. It shouldn't be a big deal, but those are three pretty big ones. We also got some other games here that we're not going to go into, but certainly the topics that we're going to discuss apply to them as well. So if you switch over to the Tools tab, you'll see there's a Source SDK. If you don't have it 100% ready, if it's grayed out, just right-click on it and launch game to download it. Shouldn't take you too long. You don't need the SDK base, but the Source SDK is the one you're looking for. So once that's all downloaded, we'll go over how you can navigate the interface of Hammer. We'll go over how you can create brush geometry, create levels, create the walls and all that stuff that's the core of your level. We'll go over adding entities, so you'll add different props that can be thrown around, props that can move around. We'll also add functionality so that you can trigger actions to happen when you do certain things. Open doors, press buttons, move through certain areas. We're also going to go over some optimization techniques, how you can create your levels in a way that will let them compile faster, certainly run faster on people's computers. We're going to go through some tweaks, just how you can add fancy stuff, different environmental effects, color correction. We'll show you how you can make the mini-map, the level overview in the corner of Counter-Strike or Day Defeat. And then we'll talk about just how to package all your stuff up. If you have anything custom, how to put it into BSP so that you can host your game, create a server online, and let people join, download your map, and play along. And give credit where credit's due. So let's not hesitate anymore. Let's close this guy here. Let's open up the SDK and let's get going.